guys, na-unbox na namin kagabi ni Habi yung mga gifts na na-receive namin during the baby shower and gender reveal. And ito na yun sila. Unfortunately, hindi kami nakapag-take ng video during unboxing. Pero ipapakita ko sa inyo. Actually, so let's start with the first one. Tommy Titi Care Protect. Para siyang kit for baby healthcare kit for your newborn. Actually, tatlo yung na-receive namin. So, siguro pamimigay na lang namin yung iba. Special shout out to MJ and then to Ate Annabelle. I forgot who gave the other one. I think it was Ate Pam. But we received 3 of this. Isa lang naman baby namin, kaya we'll give away yung dalawa. So, open nga natin to. Let's open this one. Uy, ang cute ng lalagyan niya, guys. Look. May pouch siya. Diba? Yan. Yun, look. So, may baby brush, toothbrush. Ito ata pag may sipon, pang suck ng phlegm from the nose. And then, my nail clipper, cutter, tapos rectal temperature. And then, nabasa ko mas reliable yung rectal temperature actually pag sa newborn. And then, baby comb and nail file. Ayun, ang cute. Alright. On to the next na. Ito naman, this is from Martha. Thank you so much, Martha. Ito is the diaper bean. I've read the review sa Amazon. Maganda daw to kasi hindi nagli-leak yung smell ng poop. And even if you leave it for weeks, wala pa ding amoy. So yun. Kaya nilagay namin ito sa baby registry. Yun. Thank you, Martha. Hindi pa siya natin na-assemble ni Habi. Busy pa. He's back to work na. Ako hindi pa, bukas pa. Next one, eto, Rapid Cool Fast Formula Cooling Kit. Milk to mouth in 2 minutes. So parang ito for hot water. And then this one, i-transfer mo dito yung hot water. And then it will adjust to the appropriate temperature for feeding. Parang for travel ata to. And we received 2 as well. Thank you so much. This one is from Ate Aida. And this one is from Kim. So, ipamigay na lang namin yung iba kasi hindi naman namin kailangan ng 2 sets. Pero thank you, we're very grateful. Yun. So next is baby bottle, of course. Pinaka-basic to, from Philips. Nilagay ko din siya sa baby registry. And, ano ba tawag dito? Ni-research ko din, nagbasa din ako ng reviews kung ano yung mga pinakamagandang baby bottle. May anti-colic. So far ito, ang ganda ng reviews niya. I think this is from Ate Joyce. Thank you so much, Ate Joyce. Kasama to for travel din. Now, ito naman for milk formula. Ayan. Cute. Thank you, Ate Joyce. Ito ba to? Wet pipe. Wet wipes. Ito, nilagay ko dito sa baby registry. Oh, kasi, ito ata yung pinaka-safest way na gagamitin for newborn. Kasi syempre, di ba, very sensitive yung skin nila. So, water wet wipes. Ito naman, galing kay Tita Inday. Tita Inday Giselle, thank you so much. Hindi siya nakapunta. She was in Italy. But then, she still sent us gifts. Ito, and then, isang malaking box ng diaper. Thank you, Tita Inday. Love you. Mwah. Okay, next one. Next one is the Tommy Titi. Ano to? Bottle warmer. And at the same time, pouch warmer. Pag nagbe-breast milk ka, alam mo yung pag nagpa-pump ka, and then may sobra, keep mo sa fridge. So, dual purpose siya. It's for bottle and then breast milk pouch. This one is from my Babes Rose naman. Thank you so much, Babes. Ayun. Thank you, Ninang Babes. Okay, next one. This one is Steam Sterilizer Microwave from Tito Adrian. Tito Adrian is colleague from work and friend, of course. Ito siya, guys. Ay, hindi ko pala napakita sa inyo yung Tommy Titi. So this one, kailangan mo ata siyang ilagay sa microwave and then it will create a steam. And then this is sterilize niya yung bottle. Yeah. But I think we can also use this to dry up bottles after washing them. And then may kasama siyang pacifier. Hindi ata ito nakalagay sa registry, But I think Adrian bought it from somewhere. Yan. Huwag ko na ipakita guys yung pacifier. Yan. Ito hindi ko na open. I have to show you yung Timmy TV. Yan. Yan. Good. Ito siya guys. Yan. Mukha lang siyang maliit sa picture. Pero malaki pala siya in person. In fairness. At hindi ko pa alam gamitin itong mga to. I need to watch videos on YouTube or on Amazon on how to use them properly. May mga different settings. Ito. Depende sa amount, temperature na gusto mo, at kung pouch ba or bottle yung ilalagay mo. Alright. Next one. Ito naman is baby carrier. Ang ganda nito. Yan, baby carrier siya. From Amazon din. Yan. Tapos this one, natatanggal siya. Yan. You can actually remove this. Tapos, para ito na lang natira. Pag parang nasa bahay ka lang, bit-bit mo siya. Or siguro nagpapa-breastfeed ka, you can use this as well. And look, pwede mo siya lagyan sa loob. Lalagyan ba to? Or para lang sa foam na pang-carry ng baby? Maybe you can keep something inside. Especially if you're outside. Oo. And ang dami niyang mga pouch here. Yun. Ang dami mong pwedeng i-keep. You can maybe put your phone here or your wallet. If you have a small wallet. Yeah. Ayun. I need to visit Amazon again. Para alam ko kung paano siya i-assemble properly. How to use this properly. This is from Bebamore. Maybe it's a European brand. Ayan. This one is from Tita Tintin. Tita Tintin Colmo. Thank you, Tin. Ayan. Eto, may kasama siyang bag actually. Siguro pag hindi mo na siya ginagamit for storage. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Bib ba to? And then extra. Hindi ko din alam kung ano to. I-research ko na lang guys. Hinihingal na ako. Next one is that Tommy TP nail file. Ito. Mas maganda daw kasi talaga ang electric nail file compare sa nail cutter or nail clipper. Mas safe daw to for newborn. So, yan. This one naman is from Earl. Thank you so much, Earl. Cute niya, oh. May lalagyan siya. Yan. Chinek ko to kagabi, walang battery to eh. So, si Daddy na lang mag-provide. Kailangan lang ng double A na battery. Ayan. So, ayun. Yan. Thank you ulit, Earl. Next one is sleep light or travel sound machine. Ito, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa pram if you're outside or sa bedside ni baby pag natutulog siya. Yeah. Pakita ko yung color. And it's blue for our baby boy. Baby George. Spoil yung batang ko. Naku. Dami niyang gift. Yan siya guys. It's blue. Hindi ko siya ma-play kasi walang battery ata ito. Or low bat. I still need to charge this. So baka hindi ko na naman alam kung paano gamitin. I-research ko na lang din sa Amazon or sa YouTube. Thank you ulit, no, this one is from Roxy. Thank you, Tita Roxanne. Nilagay ko dito sa gift registry. Next one is, ito naman yung basket. Parang diaper caddy siya. Pwede sa bedside. Pwede mo din siyang, pwede mo siyang malipat-lipat actually. If for example, during baby bath time, sa shower, buhatin mo lang siya. So, ang plan ko dito is lagyan ko siya ng wipes, diaper, and then yung body lotion niya, at yung iba pa niyang anik-anik. Yun. Ang ganda ng color, no? It's so neutral. Very aesthetic din siya. This one is from Tita Marta. Thank you, Tita Marta. This one pala came with the baby carrier. Siguro freebie to. Parang pacifier holder. Or you can keep your pacifier inside. And it's my favorite color too. Parang siyang sage green. Uy, nako. Thank you so much, Tita Marta. And then this one, asan ang kasama nito? Mamaya na to, guys. Ito naman is yung for bath ni baby. Ayan siya, guys. Ano na, guys? Ito na lang sasabihin ko, guys. So, ito. Lalagay mo siya dito. Tapos, lagyan mo ng water. Tapos, dito mo siya. Dito kayo magbabath. Tapos dito naman, pag in-empty mo siya, yung blue na rubber. And this is also ideal for travel. So pag pupunta kami kay tita sa Devon, or siguro pag umuwi kami ng Pinas, we can bring this. Cute niya, diba? Nafo-fold siya, guys. Yan. And this one is from Ninang Jolly. Thank you, Ninang Jolly. Ayan siya. Okay. Ito, diapers. Yun. Pampers. Yan. Pampers. This is for 1-year-old. 2.5 kilograms or 4 to 11 pounds. Yung last scan namin, si baby, is 4 pounds. So, hopefully, kasya to sa kanya. Hindi malaki, hindi maliit. Para walang leak. Can't wait to meet you, baby. So, ayun, diaper niya. Tapos, may kasama siyang libreng water wet wipes. Tapos, ito naman, ba to? Dentinox Cradle Cup. Treatment shampoo. Actually, hindi ko to na-research masyado, pero may nag-give. I think it was Ate Marian. Yan, effective relief from cradle cup. From birth. Yun. Thank you, Ate Marian. This is so sweet. Tapos, Manzanilla. Yan. Sikat ata to sa Pilipinas. Wala to sa baby registry ko kasi hindi ko malalam. Sorry guys. Nahihirapan na akong umupo. So, Manzanilla, anti-flatulent. Okay. So, Ate Marian said, ito daw yung naka-help sa babies niya dati para tumahan sa pag-iyak. So, hopefully, mag-work dito kay baby. Thank you, Ate Marian. Ito namang mga pacifiers. Parang extra gift ata to from Ate Pami or Ate Joyce. I'm not so sure. Thank you. Cute oh, my pink and green. It's a baby boy, pero we can use the pink one. We don't mind. So the cream. Ito, antiseptic healing cream for nappy rash, eczema, surface wounds, sunburn, minor burns, acne, bed sores, and child blades. Ito ata yung sikat sa UK for nappy rash. Yun. Pag may rash lang si baby, pag wala, hindi naman namin gagamitin. Hiningal na ako, guys. 34 weeks na ako eh. And then this one came with the Philips bottle. Panglinis niya. But we're planning to buy a separate one. Para lang may option. Hindi naman siya ganun kamahal. Tapos, more baby clothes. And it's blue and green. My favorite color. And my baby boy's favorite color. Cute nga, diba? Yeah. Actually, may mga nabili na kami before gender reveal na neutral colors. Kasi hindi namin alam yung gender. Tapos ito, nilagay ko lang siya sa registry. Basta nilagay ko lang siya. I don't know why I chose this color. Pero alam ko talaga, feeling ko lalaki. Siguro ganon. So yeah. This is from Ate Pam. Thank you, Tita Pami. Ilan ba ito lahat? 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5. Dagdag sa mga clothes niya. Nalaban ko na to. Can't wait. Baby ni mommy. Ito naman, from mama. Ito naman yung gift na binigay ng best friend ko from the US. My Buffy Shireen. Napaka-sweet and thoughtful talaga no. Parati kaming ini-spoiled. Miss you and love you, Buffy. Hindi pa siya na-assemble ni Happy. Kasi busy pa sa work. Ayan. But it's a bedside baby cot. Kasi we decided to put the baby with us sa bedroom. Para mas convenient din sa amin if kailangan mag-change ng diaper and for feeding. Especially during the first few months. And then, ayan. Hindi ko napakita. Hi guys, nakat ata yung video kanina. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero anyway, ito ata yung hindi nasama. Ito yung parang playmat na may kasamang 18 activities. May mga toys. Ayan. So, siguro pag medyo malaki na si baby. This one is from Tita China. Unfortunately, hindi siya naka-attend ng baby shower. Parang may family emergency. Pero i-meet ko siya soon para mabigay sa kanya yung souvenir. And then yung cake. Thank you so much, Tita China. Napaka-sweet itong gift mo din. And then, saan pa ba? Ito, more pampers, more diapers for baby. Yun. Galing ata to kay Ate Pam and Ate Joyce. Thank you so much, Ate Pam and Ate Joyce. Ewan ko bakit nakat yung video kanina. Hindi ko din alam. Tapos, this one, eto, more diapers from Tita Inday. Nilagay ko to sa baby registry actually. Thank you, Tita Inday. Kahit hindi siya nakapunta, nagpadala pa din siya ng gift. Thank you so much, Tita Inday. Hope to meet you soon. Ayan. And then this one is bottle sterilizer. Ito yung box niya. Ayan. Yan yung box niya. Yun. Kailangan kong i-review yung manual nito or manood na lang ako ng YouTube videos or i-revisit yung Amazon on how to assemble this properly. And yung paano din siya gamitin. Ito naman, gift from Tita Ashley. Thank you, Tita Ashley. Ang ganda niya. Hindi din nakapunta si Tita Ashley sa baby shower. Nagpadala lang siya ng gift. Pero thank you, Tita Ashley. Napaka-sweet. Thank you, thank you. Tapos ano pa ba? Ito yung laman ng mamas and papas na box from Ate Annabelle and Ate Melissa. Ito yung towel ni baby. Tapos, more baby clothes. Yan, onesies. Yung hat niya. Tapos, eto, pair ata to lahat. Ang cute kasi neutral. Kasi before the baby shower, hindi naman nila alam pa yung gender, of course. Mitten. We need to buy more. Kasi parang isa lang yung meron na bili ko. Just in case mag-pop ako early. And then ito, tatlong muslin square. Ito, kasama din doon sa Mamas and Papas box na pinigay ni Ate Annabelle and Ate Melissa. Tatlo, neutral colors. Ayan. Thank you, Ates. Napaka-sweet and thoughtful. Kasama tong baby elephant. Ayan. Ayun. Ano pa ba yung hindi ko napakita? Parang napakita ko naman na halos lahat. Ito pa pala. Yung bigay ni Ate Jolly. Ayan. This one is from Mamas and Papas as well. Pwede itong gamitin ni baby pag uwi from the hospital. Ayan siya. Malamig kasi dito ngayon. Winter. Cute niya, oh. Neutral color din. So, Ala, may mite na siya. Ang cute. Thank you, Ninang Jolly. Ayan na guys, ito na lahat. Thank you to all our family and friends na umattend ng baby shower, who spent that very special day with us. Ang saya. I think mag-upload din ako ng video ng baby shower kasi ang saya ng mga games. And makakakuha kayo doon ng mga ideas sa mga games if you're planning to have your own baby shower as well. Ayun. Thank you so much guys. Ang dami ko pang liligpitin. Ang daming boxes na kakalat. Hinihingal na ako guys. Alright. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.